Today we're gonna make this traditional roasted red pepper fava dip. To get started on making our fava dip, first we have to take our yellow split peas, which I have 1 pound of yellow split peas, 4 cups of water. So I have the water boiling. I'm gonna pour in our split peas here. Give it a stir. We want this to come back to a boil. Then I'm gonna lower the heat to medium, cover it, and we're gonna cook it until all the water has absorbed and our beans are nice and soft. So we boiled our fava. It was about 45 minutes for it to get nice and soft. And you can see here, it's absorbed all the liquid. And now we're gonna use our food processor. So we have, I'm gonna put these, I've let them cool. I'm gonna put them right into our food processor. So I have our beans in here. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of tahini. And I am using 776 tahini, organic tahini. It will be in the link below, as well as on my Amazon store. So check that out. We're gonna add lemon juice, 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. We're gonna take 2 cloves of garlic. Add our garlic. And next, our roasted red pepper. So here I have 776 roasted red peppers. Again, click the link below and check out my Amazon store for this. So we're gonna take a whole pepper here, chop this. And now we're going to mix this up. So now you could see, I've really blended this until it's extremely creamy. You don't want any, you don't want to taste the split peas, the fava beans. You just really want to make sure that this is super creamy here. So I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And now I'm going to blend this up, and then our dip is ready. So our dip is ready. I'm gonna scoop some out onto this plate here to serve. Look at that beautiful color too. This is so delicious. And to serve this, I'm gonna drizzle olive oil on top and a little paprika. So I've garnished this. I've cut up some delicious bread for this. And this dip is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and check out my Amazon store. I'm gonna dig in.